Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing a VPN provider that lists Brazil servers explicitly. Read the features page and confirm AES 256 encryption and open VPN or WireGuard support. Check server count and whether Brazil servers are available in multiple cities. Verify speed tests and simultaneous device limits before subscribing. Prefer providers with no logs policies and independent audits. Make sure the provider accepts your payment method and offers a money-back guarantee for testing. Download the official VPN app for your device from the provider website or app store. Open the app and sign in using your account credentials or create an account. Navigate to the server list and select a server located in Brazil. Choose WireGuard or OpenVPN as your preferred protocol for speed and security. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection in the app settings before you connect. Save the configuration and prepare to connect securely. Tap Connect to the selected Brazil server and wait until the app reports a secure connection. Open a browser and visit an IP check to confirm a Brazil IP address is visible. Test streaming, banking sites, or region-locked content to ensure access from Brazil works. If speeds are slow, switch to another Brazil server or change the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP. Restart the app and router if problems persist. Contact provider support with logs if you cannot resolve connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.